Ta-da! Yes, we're going to make use of this to get the quarter circle. We are going to make use of this, and some other things to represent this on the board. So you can see I had to sketch it so that I will see what I'm doing. First things first, I have to use this because this is my ruler. Okay, because we need a long ruler. Then I need this straight line and I will draw it here. Note, I want it to be big because I don't want my drawing to be very... So I need this quarter circle, and you can see that this cannot give me up to the quarter that I need. I need something big, right? So, ta-da! Yes, I'm going to make use of this to get the quarter circle, all right? So if I were using this line to trace the line I drew, so if this is it, then my quarter, oops, this is even still small, but it is bigger than this one. So I can get my quarter circle, okay? Like I said, it's still small. I need something bigger. To be frank, I need something bigger. This is not what I want. Like I said, I need something bigger because it will help your drawing to be neater when you start writing something on it. Okay, they won't be so jam-packed. So I think this 3 is bigger. Let's get quarter of it. So I think this is bigger. Let's use this. Yeah, this will give us like quarter. Not that big, but it is bigger than the other one. So this is what we have. Now we need this, right? We can go for this. First of all, we need a straight line, and we are going to draw that, a straight line. Oops. So okay, we are done with that. Then we need this, another quarter circle upside down. So we need quarter circle, quarter. Let's assume this. Okay, let's assume this. This is more than quarter, but we have to manage it. All right. So I don't know how this will look, but it is more than a quarter. Okay. So that is it. You just have to keep improvising. All right. So because this is my quarter, I will reduce this. I'll reduce this straight line to this form, and I will draw my straight line to join. How? Not working. Not working.